This monster PC case is overkill. And I love it. Fractal Design Meshify 2XL Review. You ever feel like your build is suffocating? Like your high-end GPU is gasping for airflow and your cable management looks like a noodle warzone? You're not alone. That janky mid-tower you picked up on sale is now the cage holding your creativity hostage. It's cramped. It's loud. And let's be honest, it's ugly. Every time you open it, it's a mess of wires, heat, and regret. If your rig looks like a crime scene every time you upgrade, you've already outgrown your case. You're not lazy, you just haven't found a case that respects your hustle. And what happens next? You start missing out. You compromise on cooling, ditch bigger boards, skip storage expansions, and suddenly your dream build starts feeling like a hot mess. Your airflow's throttled, your AIO radiator won't fit, and your cable management? Let's not even talk about it. You're constantly battling temps, rerouting fans, and praying your next GPU won't block your front intake. That's not a build, it's a bottleneck. And it's slowly draining your performance, your patience, and your joy for PC gaming or content creation. Now enter the Fractal Design Meshify 2XL, aka the high-performance beast that makes every other case look like a toy. This isn't just a chassis, it's a fortress. We're talking stealthy angular mesh design for god-tier airflow, tool-less access from 3 sides, and room for ATX and SSIEEB boards with room to spare. Mount up to 18 HDDs, install a 480mm radiator like it's nothing, and flex your setup through that flush-tempered glass side panel. It's built like a tank, but moves like a ninja. This is what future-proofing looks like. Need breathing room? This case delivers an open-concept layout so modular you'll think IKEA got jealous. You'll feel the instant satisfaction of clean cable runs, cool temps, and whisper-quiet operation. It's perfect for massive workstations, extreme gaming rigs, and custom loops that actually fit. With USB 3.1 Gen 2, Type-C, front I/O, multiple mounting brackets, and support for up to 11 fans, the Meshify 2XL isn't just a case, it's an experience. One that screams performance and polish. Now here's the kicker, this case doesn't stay on shelves for long. Builders know it. Reviewers swear by it. And Fractal's rep for quality is unmatched. If you're serious about leveling up, don't wait. Click, order, and start your dream build today. Join thousands of pros, modders, and high-performance gamers who've already discovered the secret sauce. The Fractal Design Meshify 2XL is the final boss of PC cases. Ready to conquer airflow, cable clutter, and your build goals? Let's do this.